Again welcome to BN School and College Khulna online class. I am SM Shihabuddin, Assistant Professor English. Today I will take up the class on your first paper, and that is question number 2. It is flowchart. Flowchart. It is English first paper, question number 2. I would like to say you that flowchart, that is very important. For it carries 10 marks. If you write this answer, only 5 points will bring you 10 marks. So we should be very much careful as well as alert for this question, that is flowchart. Firstly, some information about flowchart. Information is, you have to write the flowchart in the boxes. Then you have to make points. The points of the flowchart must not be sentences, and it has to be written in phrases. So there are four information here. One, we have to write the flowchart in the boxes. Then we have to make points. The points must not be sentences, as well as we have to written in phrases. Okay. Now, in which phrases we have to write the flowchart? First, the point can be noun or noun phrase. Then it can be present participle phrase, it can be past participle phrase, it can be infinitive phrase, and also it can be appositive. Again, you have to write the flowchart in phrases. First, it can be noun or noun phrase, it can be present participle phrase, it can be past participle phrase, it can be infinitive phrase, and it can be appositive. Okay, next slide. Now we will give an example of flowchart. From your text, I would like to show you a flowchart on Kuakata. You already read Kuakata, all of you, so you know some information about Kuakata. Now it has to be written in flowchart. I will show you the slide. The first, this is the box. This is the box. And the first point is a unique sea base. You know, it's a noun phrase. It is the example of noun phrase. Then second point, located in Patuakhali district. It is the example of past participle phrase. Then full of natural beauties. Again, it's the example of noun phrase. Unique for sunrise and sunset. Sunrise and sunset. And then famous for traditional fairs. These 5 information about Kuakata. So the first one, it's a noun phrase, example of noun phrase. Second, past participle phrase, then noun phrase, and then also noun phrase. Here are the 5 information about Kuakata. Another example, a flowchart on Bangladesh. The first information is South Asian small country. It's the example of noun phrase. Then second example, being independent in 1971. It is the example of present participle phrase. Then an agricultural country is the example of noun phrase. then a peace-loving country, it is also the example of noun phrase, and then Dhaka, the capital city, it is the example of appositive. So, we have to bear in mind that when we will write the flow chart, we must not go out of that, the very first, we must not go out of the 5 phrases, that is noun or noun phrases, present participle phrase, past participle phrase, infinitive phrase, appositive. If you go out of the 5 phrases, your flow chart will be wrong. And again, you have to write it in the boxes, you have to make points, and the points must not be sentences. It is very important. The points must not be sentences. It must be phrases. And what phrases? Noun or noun phrase, present participle phrase, past participle phrase, infinitive phrase, or appositive. Like this, we have given the example here. Noun phrase, past participle phrase, noun phrase, noun phrase, noun phrase. And again, second example, noun phrase, present participle phrase, noun phrase, and appositive. If you have any question, you may ask in our e-library link, in my Facebook page, in the college group messengers, as well as in my YouTube channel. Actually, our class is over. Thank you very much for watching. Again, I will sum up the total my lecture. 1. The points must not be sentences. They have to be written in boxes. And as I have given you the 5 phrases, you have to be within the 5 phrases. Okay, students, I hope you will be helpful and you will be beneficiary from this lecture today. And like this, I will take up some of your class. So you will be associated with our link. And be safe, stay home, saves lives. Thank you very much.